make a distinction between a blessing and a miracle so that you don't equate the two, because there is a very fundamental difference between a blessing and a miracle. Sometimes we ask God for a miracle when what we need is a blessing. And sometimes we ask for a blessing when what we need is a miracle. So while both miracle and blessings bring benefit to situations in our lives that we want God to deal with, the fundamental difference between a blessing and a miracle is that a blessing requires cooperation, a miracle does not. A miracle is where God trumps everything, even his own laws, to make something happen that you can't help. That's why it's a miracle, because it's outside of human participation. Okay? There's nothing you can do to make it happen or to cooperate with it happening. Not so with a blessing. Blessings typically demand cooperation. So if you're not cooperating, then you're missing the blessing while you're asking for a miracle, when God says, well, what you need is a blessing. So I'm waiting for your cooperation because I don't intend to make this a miracle. So what he is asking for is cooperation for a blessing, so that you're not looking for a miracle that he never intended to provide.